today's digital age, every click, swipe, and like you make leaves a digital trail. But who is responsible for protecting this data? The answer in the European Union is GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation. In this video, we will break down the essentials of GDPR, why it exists, what it's designed to protect, and how it's reshaped the way organizations to handle the data. We will cover the history, key motivation behind the GDPR, its primary principles, and why these regulations are so important for both individuals and businesses. What are the key principles of GDPR? Here is the list of key principles of GDPR. Lawfulness, fairness, and transparency. Purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, integrity and confidentiality, and last, accountability. Lawfulness, fairness, and transparency. All data processing must be lawful and fair with a focus on transparency. This means companies need a valid legal basis to collect data such as obtaining the consent from the users. They must inform users about why their data is being collected and how it will be used. A social media app asks for permission to collect a user's location data for showing nearby events. The app clearly explains this purpose and requests explicit consent from the user before accessing their location. This approach respects the principle of lawfulness, fairness, and transparency by obtaining the consent and disclosing why the data is collected. Purpose limitation. Data should only be collected for specific legitimate purpose. Companies cannot collect data under one pretext and then use it later for something else. A job application websites collect data, applicants' contact details to inform them about their application status. Later, they cannot use this data to send unrelated marketing materials such as sales and promotion without obtaining further consent from the individuals. If they want to send them marketing emails, they must ask users specifically for the permissions. Data minimization. GDPR promotes the concept of data minimization, meaning that the only necessary data should be collected. For instance, an e-commerce site should not require information beyond what's necessary to complete a transaction. An online retailer asks customers for their name, shipping address, and payment detail to complete a purchase. They do not ask for details like social security number and other unnecessary personal information. This principle ensures they are only collecting what is essential for fulfilling the order. Accuracy. GDPR requires that data should be accurate and kept up to date. Inaccurate information can be harmful, so individuals have the right to correct or update their data. A bank keeps updated records of its customers' address and contact details. If a customer moves to a new address, they can request the bank to update their information. This ensures the bank communicates with the customer accurately and responsibly. Storage limitation. Personal data should not be stored indefinitely. Organizations are required to delete data once it's no longer needed for the purpose it was collected. For instance, a university collects students' personal information for enrollment. Once a student graduates, the university should delete their information after a set period. This prevents holding on to personal information longer than necessary. Integrity and confidentiality. Organizations must secure data against unauthorized access and breaches. This can include encryption, access control, and regular security audits. For instance, a healthcare provider stores patients' medical records in encrypted database. Access to these records is restricted to authorized persons only, and regular security checks are performed to ensure data protection. By doing this, they meet the GDPR requirements for data integrity and confidentiality. Accountability. Companies are held accountable for their data practices. They must document compliance effort, provide trainings for employees, and prepare for the audits. A multinational corporation appoints a DPO, a data protection officer, who oversees GDPR compliance, conduct regular trainings for employees on data privacy, and maintain documentation for data processing activities. If audited, the company can provide records showing compliance effort, demonstrating accountability. Next, we will talk about impact of GDPR on individuals and businesses.